Christian approaches to leisure. What is leisure? It is time when you are free from work. Anytime you are free from work, that is called leisure. And then we have two types of leisure. We have passive leisure and what? Active leisure. Passive leisure is whereby you have minimal use of your body. That is passive. Like when you're watching a Christian movie, your body is passive, or you're listening to a podcast. You're just sitting down, you have minimal movement. But active leisure is whereby you're actively involved in the leisure. For example, you're playing football, or you're dancing to Christian music. When you're talking about, when you're answering your C.R.E, you're giving your answers, you have to point out that you're dancing to a Christian what? Music. That is a type of active leisure. So passive leisure, I told you, is like watching movies. You don't need a lot of what? A lot of energy to do that. You're just sitting down and watching. There's minimal movement. Also reading novels. Yes. Resting. Also storytelling. If you're storytelling, you don't have to move. You can storytell when you're sitting down, listening to Christian music. Yes. Or what else? What other examples are you of passive activities that you do? What can you do that is passive during your free time? Yes? You're not supposed to whisper. You're supposed to tell me. Sorry? Why are you laughing now? You won't even tell me because you've laughed. A passive leisure activity that you don't use a lot of energy. Yes. Yes, reading a novel. Yes. I can't hear. Sleeping. Yes. Sleeping. Like in my leisure time. Yeah. Anytime, any day. Sleeping. Yes. Sorry? Chatting. Yes, you chat with your phone. Yes, that is also a passive leisure activity. Also, advantages of passive leisure is whereby you can be able to rest. Because you're not moving your body. There is minimal movement, so there is a relaxation. If you're sleeping, you're relaxing. If you're thinking, you'll be able to, if you're resting, or maybe you're sleeping, or you're just sitting down and writing something, that means that you're planning ahead. You're able to plan ahead. If maybe you're writing, it also allows for time for you to recover the lost energy. Because remember that you have minimal movement. Your storytelling, you have minimal, you can be able to recover your lost energy. Also, one gets entertained. If you're listening to Christian music, you get entertained and you get a lot of information. If you're reading, like he said, you can read a Christian novel, you can read a Christian literature. That means you're getting a lot of information when you're reading.